Hello and welcome to the Badger. You're here with me, the Badger guy, and today I will be going through our issue ticketing system that will be releasing soon. Let's take a look. So firstly, we'll go through to issues, and please note this is soon to be released, so some things might be subject to change going forward. As you can see here, I've created some issue tickets. You can have your system create these issue tickets when emailed to a certain address. So a user might send an email with their problem, and based on where they're sending the email from, if they are a user inside the system and the system picks up that user, it will automatically categorize that issue and log that issue with a certain client based on who's sending the email. So it will figure this out by understanding that it's come from a certain email address with a certain domain name, and that domain name is then linked with the client. So if James sends in an email, it picks up that he is James Joyce and he belongs to a certain site and to a certain client, and then will record this issue based on that information. Let's, for example, add an issue here. If we add one manually. So when a user sends in an email, it will log it based on who it's reported by. That will be the email address that's sending in that issue. So this will all be filled out automatically if a user sends an email. But for instance, if we create one manually, I can choose manually that is reported by James, and you can see the other fields get automatically populated because it knows that James Joyce belongs to this client and is based at this site. You can, if the user doesn't exist, you can create a ticket manually and fill out these fields manually as well. Now I choose a scope. Say he's having a network problem, can't connect to the network. I explain the issue here, right? And a short description of the issue, and then I can assign it to a specific technician. Now I don't have to assign this to a specific technician just to save the ticket. I create that ticket, and if we go back to issues, you will see that ticket's created. Now it's not assigned to anyone yet, and if you have someone that is involved in your company and they are the support manager or issue manager, they can manually assign these tickets to a specific person. If I go back to the dashboard here, you'll see you've got a text box on the right hand side, and under here you'll be able to send messages back to the requester of this ticket, and they will receive the message on their side. Now more features are going to come later on. This functionality isn't built in yet, but soon we will release our new updates. We have those events. Go check out our other video announcing our events coming up at the end of May. But thank you very much for watching. Please go join our Discord and like and subscribe to stay updated. Thank you very much.